Atelier Workshop, a piece of architecture that is simple yet highly functional. Designed by Agustín Berzero in 2020, this project is located in Rafaela, Argentina. Surrounded by a 2,000 square meter garden, it serves as an ideal creative workspace for an artist, with a design emphasizing efficiency, harmony, and interaction with its surroundings. The Atelier Workshop stands as an independent structure at the eastern corner of the property, separated from the main house. It was designed to provide direct access from the street, ensuring both privacy and freedom for the artist's creative pursuits. While physically separate, the atelier maintains a subtle visual dialogue with the main house, fostering a quiet and harmonious relationship between the two. As a workspace, the building is designed to capture the best natural light without sacrificing comfort. The sloped roof and strategically placed openings ensure consistent, evenly distributed lighting inside while shielding the interior from excessive sunlight. This concept creates an optimal working environment throughout the day. One of the Atelier Workshop's strengths lies in its integration with the surrounding landscape. The sloped roof, inspired by the main house, provides enough height to capture views of the treetops and sky. By doing so, natural elements such as light, air, and vegetation become active components of the interior experience. To the north, a small courtyard enclosed by an auxiliary volume housing service areas creates an intimate outdoor space within the expansive garden. This courtyard serves as an alternative space for working or relaxing outdoors. Stone walls and earthy floor materials further enhance the connection to nature. Materials play a central role in defining the character of this building. Externally, the Atelier Workshop resembles an artificial stone with reinforced concrete walls that have a coarse texture. This rough surface not only adds a natural aesthetic, but also reflects the passage of time through weathering and tonal changes. The exterior conveys a sense of durability and timelessness, much like a stone embedded in the garden. Inside, the atmosphere shifts dramatically. The interior is crafted from wood, creating a warm and inviting ambience that contrasts sharply with the rugged exterior. The wood not only offers a visually pleasing aesthetic, but also adds a sensory experience through its distinctive natural aroma. This contrast highlights two worlds: the protective roughness of the exterior and the cozy comfort of the interior. With a modest size of just 54 square meters, the Atelier Workshop demonstrates how smart design can maximize functionality. The interior is conceived as a versatile space capable of adapting to various needs. Activities such as painting, drawing, sculpting, and exhibiting artwork can all take place here. This flexibility is further supported by integrated storage, cleverly hidden within the thickness of one wall. With a simple geometric floor plan, the open interior feels spacious and unconfined, ready to accommodate diverse creative activities. Sliding glass doors connect the interior to the northern courtyard, seamlessly extending the workspace outdoors. High-level openings in the walls allow natural light to flood the space, creating even illumination essential for detailed artistic work. The Atelier Workshop excels in efficiency, achieved through a simple yet effective design approach. By relying on just two primary materials, concrete and wood, the project proves that beauty can arise from simplicity. Each design element serves a clear function, from light manipulation to natural ventilation. Additionally, the construction employs basic technologies, maximizing resources without compromising quality. The project not only prioritizes functionality, but also conveys a message that good design can be achieved with minimal operations, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Atelier Workshop is a perfect example of how a small space can be designed to support creativity to its fullest potential. The combination of a rugged concrete exterior and a warm wooden interior creates a space that is both functional and emotionally engaging. By integrating natural elements, playing with light, and offering flexible spaces, the Atelier Workshop is more than a building. It is a place where imagination can expand without limits.